In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide drawings in TradingView. If your charts are covered with trend lines, shapes, notes, or other drawing tools, this quick toggle is a simple way to declutter your view without deleting anything. It's perfect for taking a clean look at price action, grabbing a screenshot, or presenting a chart without distractions. Start by opening a chart that already has drawings on it. This could be any chart where you've added lines, boxes, fibs, or text. If you don't see any drawings, try loading a layout where you've saved them. The feature we're using only affects drawings that are present, so having at least one on the chart helps you confirm it's working. Next, look to the left side of your TradingView window for the vertical toolbar. This is where your drawing tools live. Near the bottom area of that toolbar, you'll find the Hide Drawings control. It looks like an eye icon and is located next to a small lock icon. The eye handles visibility, while the lock is for preventing accidental edits. For today, focus on the eye icon. If your screen is compact or you're zoomed in, you might need to hover over the toolbar to see the labels, but the eye symbol is your visual cue. Now, simply toggle the eye icon. One click hides all drawings on the chart at once, giving you a clean canvas with only the price, indicators, and other non-drawing elements visible. Click it again to bring every drawing back exactly as you left them. Nothing is deleted or changed. Styles, colors, and positions remain intact, so you can confidently switch back and forth as you analyze. If the icon looks inactive and nothing changes, that usually means there are no drawings on the chart to hide. A few practical tips as you use this. Hiding drawings is global to that chart view, so it's great for quick before and after comparisons. It won't remove indicators or price data. It only affects items created with drawing tools. The lock icon next to it is separate and is useful when you want to keep drawings visible but protect them from accidental moves. If you work across multiple charts or layouts, remember you'll want to toggle visibility in the chart you're currently viewing. That's all there is to it. Open your chart with drawings, find the eye icon on the left toolbar next to the lock, and toggle it to hide and unhide your drawings instantly. Keep this tool handy, and your charts will stay clear, flexible, and presentation ready.